Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and use ModsForge. Fabric guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Prepare your environment and choose a loader content before installing mods. Ensure you have the correct Java version. For your Minecraft release, most modern versions require Java or newer. Always back up your existing Minecraft save files and entire Minecraft directory to prevent data loss. Decide between Forge and Fabric, as your mod loader. Forge generally supports older, larger mod packs, while Fabric is lighter and often preferred for newer versions and performance-focused mods. You cannot mix Forge and Fabric mods on the same instance without complex compatibility layers, so choose one.
Install your chosen mod loader, Forge or Fabric. Content: download the installer for your chosen mod loader from its official website. Files: Minecraft version for Forge or Fabric. For Fabric, ensure the version matches your Minecraft game version exactly. Run the downloaded jar installer file. It will typically present an option to install. Play and select this and specify your Minecraft directory. If it's not detected automatically, this process will create a new profile in your Minecraft launcher named after the mod loader and game version. 8 Forge or Fabric loader. Step: look at and download compatible mods. Content: navigate to reputable mod repositories such as CurseForge or Modrinth to find mods. When searching, filter by the specific Minecraft version you are playing and the mod loader you have installed. Forge or Fabric. Crucially, ensure the mod explicitly states compatibility with your chosen loader and game version. Download the mods jar file. Some Fabric mods may also require the Fabric API, which functions as a core library and must be downloaded and installed in the same manner as other mods. Step: install the downloaded mods into your game content. Open your Minecraft launcher, then navigate to your game directory. This is typically done by clicking on Installations, hovering over your modded profile. 8 Forge clicking the folder icon that appears, and then locating the mods folder. If a mods folder does not exist, create a new folder named mods, all lowercase, inside your Minecraft directory. Drag and drop all the jar files of your downloaded mods and Fabric API, if applicable, directly into this mods folder. Do not extract the mod files. Step: launch Minecraft and troubleshoot issues. Content: open your Minecraft launcher and select the modded profile you installed in Step 8 Forge. From the drop-down menu next to the Play button, launch the game is successful. You will typically see a Mods button on the main menu, indicating your mod loader is active and has detected installed mods. If the game crashes, review the crash report for clues. Common troubleshooting steps include ensuring all mods match the game version and loader, checking for conflicting mods, and ensuring required dependency mods like Fabric API or other core libraries are also installed. Remove problematic mods one by one to identify the culprit.